Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel today. So on today's video, we're making this beautiful bag with this blue unique color of the bag. So we're going to go ahead and make the measurements of all those bags. These are the material that we're going to use. So let's go ahead and do the measurements now. So the measurement for this one now is 9.5 by 8.5 inch. 9.5 by 8.5 inch. It will be two pieces, and the base of the bag is a 4 inch 4 inch by 9.5 inch. So coming to this one, this is the side of the bag. This is the side of the bag, and the measurement is 9 inch by 4 inch also, and it will be two pieces. And this is the handle for the bag, and the measurement is 3.5 by 1 inch, and I curved it here and I curved it here. It will be two pieces also. And this is the zipper side of the bag, and measurement is 7 inch by 2 inch. This is the handle for the bag, and the measurement is 1.7 inch by 24 inch. That will be the measurement for the handle. So now let's go ahead and sew those back. So the first thing I will do here is to go ahead and add zipper side, that this close on this one. So now let me go ahead and do that. So this is the color of the zip that I will use. So I'll go ahead and add zip on this one. So I'll put it this way, then I'll go ahead and sew it. I will turn it this way also, then I'll sew the remaining side. Then I will now go ahead and sew this side also. Let's see how I cutted it out. So now the next thing I will do is to keep it aside. Then I'll go ahead and sew the handle for the bag. So this is the handle for the bag. So I'll go ahead and sew this one now. So I'll fold it this way. So I'll be adding cord on the back, on the handle of the bag. So I'll add it this way. Then I'll go ahead and sew it. So this is the handle for the back. You see? So the next thing I will do now is to go ahead and curve it. You see? Then I'll place it on this one. Then I'll curve this one the same way. So this is the handle. I will do the other one the same way I did this one. So this is so after sewing the handle for those back, after sewing this handle here, I'll go ahead and add it on the main body of the bag. So this is the main body of the bag. So what I will do now is to go ahead and measure it in 4 places. I'll fold it this way. I'll go ahead and fold it again here. Then I'll mark here, and I'll come this side and I'll mark here. Then I'll mark this one also. I'll mark here. So after marking it this way, the next thing I will do is to go ahead and add a handle here this way. So I'll add this handle this way here. From the place I marked, I'll add the handle down here. Then I'll add this one also, making sure that they are equal. So then I'll go ahead and sew this one. Then after this one, I'll get the middle of this here, the middle of this one here. Then I'll get the middle of the zipper side of the back here this way. Then I'll go ahead and go 2 of them from the middle. So I'll go 2 of them from the middle here. Then I will now go ahead and sew it also. So after sewing it, it will be this way now. Are you see? This is the handle and also the back. Then I'll go ahead and add on this one here. So after sewing the handle for the back, this is how it will be. Then the next thing I will do now is to go ahead and add the base here. So this is the base. I will now go ahead and add it together here. So after adding this side, I will now go ahead and add this side also. So after adding the base of the bag, so this is the bag. After adding the base of the bag, so the next thing I will do now is to go ahead and add the handle for the side of the bag, and then I'll add the side of the bag here. So let me put this one aside, then I'll go ahead and sew this one. So I'll be using this for the handle, the setting for the handle. So it will be this way, then I'll add it here. So after adding the handle for the bag, the next thing I will do is just to give it a small curve here. I will just curve it small here. I'll curve it this way. Then I will now go ahead and curve this side also. Then I'll curve this one too. Then I'll go ahead and curve this one. So after covering it, I'll get the middle of this. The middle of this one here. I will notch it small. Then I'll get the middle of this one also here. Then I will notch it small. Then I will come here and get the middle of the base. I'll get the middle of the base here. I will notch it here. And I'll also get the middle of the base here. Then after the notch, I will now go ahead and join it from the middle of the base and the middle of the side of the bag this way. Then I'll go ahead and sew it. So I will go ahead and sew the side of the bag this way. So let me go ahead and sew it now. Then I will turn this one this way. I'll go ahead and sew it also here. So after sewing it, this is how it will be. Can you see? So this is the shape of the bag. Then I'll go ahead and add this side also. So after sewing the bag, this is the result of the bag. This is the bag after sewing it. So this is the bag after sewing the bag. Can you see? Thanks so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.